Loop the arms under the knees now, prayer hands. So you're trying to pull the hands up as if they're going to the sky. And as the hands are zipping up, 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 keep them up. Open the knees, even if it's a couple of inches. And fingertips begin to, or hands begin to open at the palms. Release. Pushing hands to the sky. Open the knees, and as the knees open, we spread the palms away from one another. Release. Pushing fingertips up, spreading at the base. Good. Couple more like that. Pushing fingertips up, spreading open. One more. Good. And then bring the elbows back inside the knees. Now that we've done the